Hey everybody, J Jackson here today, and welcome to my channel. Welcome to another monthly Power Hour. I will be in collaboration with some wonderful ladies that are going to be joining me today. So after you see my video, be sure to check out their video. The playlist will be listed in the description box as well as pinned to the comments down below. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So in today's Power Hour, I decided to clean out my kitchen cabinets. When is the last time you cleaned out your kitchen cabinets? Since this is a power hour, I don't have a lot of time, so this won't be a deep clean, but I will be wiping down the cabinets as well as going through the cabinets and decluttering things that I may not need or haven't used in quite some time. I may not clean my cabinets on a regular, but I do try my best to declutter as much as possible. As you can see, I decided to take things off the shelf first, clean it, and then move to the next shelf. I love challenging myself to do these power hours because I just want to see how much I can get done within that hour. Maybe you could try out this power hour yourself and see what can happen with you. As you can see, I'm on a roll. This is my third cabinet. Be sure to like this video because it really helps my channel, and consider subscribing if you like this type of content. On my channel, I do decluttering, cleaning, and organizational type of videos. I place a light in this cabinet because it's one of my darkest cabinets. In this cabinet, I will be doing a little bit more than I typically do. So I'm going to clean this area here, and I'm going to also attempt within this hour to put down some contact paper. As you will see, this contact paper gave me a run for my money for sure. I will say, I don't know what I was thinking of trying to place this contact paper down within the hour. But you know what? No one is going to see this part of my kitchen, so I just wanted to put something a little better down than what was shown, as you guys could see in the video. It just didn't look too good down there, so, and it was unpleasing to me, so I ended up, for the most part, like I said, just putting down some contact paper. Even though it may have been wrinkled in some spots, it still looked better than it originally was. So at this point, I had approximately 5 minutes left on the timer for me to complete my power hour. And I just decided to clean up the mess that was made while I was cleaning out the cabinet. I want to take this time to thank all the ladies that participated in today's Power Hour, and I will see you next month. This is an open collab, so if you are wanting to participate, just DM me and let me know. Well, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Be sure to check out the playlist of all the other ladies that participated in today's Power Hour. And I will pin it down in the comments as well. So, be sure to like this video if you like this type of content. Be sure to subscribe if you like this type of content. And I will see you guys in the next one.